Hello, I'm Larry Davidoff, Director of Advanced Navigation Systems for the Boeing Company. We greatly appreciate the opportunity to participate at ION 2014. We have brought a Boeing-wide team to feature position navigation and timing system solutions, and we will highlight some of those here today. First off, I'd like to highlight the significant Boeing unique milestone. We have recently celebrated over 525 years of on-orbit service since the launch of the first GPS satellite in 1978. We are currently working on the GPS Block 2F. These add increased performance and longer life. We have launched 7 successfully and had a great year this year with 3 successful launches and 1 more in October. With the addition of the Block 2F to the GPS constellation, the user accuracy is greatly improved and the warfighter has access to new capabilities. Some of our new latest technology that we're working for GPS leverages our world-leading digital payload technology. This is technology that we fly on a lot of our missions that enables more cost-effective business case and missions, as well as adaptability for the future. This is an exciting new technology that can bring new capabilities to GPS and make the mission more affordable. One of the other areas that Boeing has significant heritage in is in providing solutions to GPS users. We have a range of generations of products here on display. One of our current products, the Combat Survivor Evader Locator, is a search and rescue two-way communications radio. There's been over nearly 60,000 of these produced and fielded. They provide secure search and rescue and friendly force tracking. They also have contributed to dozens of successful rescue missions, bringing home safely the men and women in our nation that are serving our military. Future generations of this will improve mission effectiveness, reduce power and weight, providing more benefit to the users, and will incorporate additional mission capabilities. Just as an example of some of our other proud Boeing heritage, we actually provided space-based receivers for the space shuttle in the early days of GPS in the mid-90s. This is an engineering development unit that represents one of the GPS receivers that was flown on multiple space shuttle missions for GPS-aided navigation for approach and landing of the shuttle fleet. Additionally, Boeing is a commercial aviation and airline leader across the world, and we have a family of products to provide to the commercial user. I'd like to introduce Jeff Goldstein, who will highlight some of those products.
Thank you very much, Larry. So, my name is Jeff Goldstein. I'm a senior manager with Boeing Digital Aviation, and today we're here and we're honored to share some of what is Jeppesen's avionics suite, featuring quite a bit of our GPS-enabled technology. Jeppesen is part of the Boeing Company, and we're absolutely thrilled to be able to use GPS in a way that enables greater safety of flight and far greater situational awareness in the flight deck. What we're actually looking at today is a GPS-enabled feed with the purple spotter representing the aircraft owned ship position. In this feed, we're actually watching the aircraft move across the ground, overlaid behind a Jeppesen aeronautical navigation chart. The really neat thing about this is we're taking GPS technology and putting it into a product and user view. So we're really looking at what GPS technology looks like to the end user. In this case, we're looking at a pilot's view of the world from a GPS-centric technology base. So we can see the route of flight and a lot of other very pertinent information that, quite frankly, 20 years ago would not have been possible to view in this digital fashion. One other thing I'd like to point out is we've taken, in essence, the entire map of the world from an aviation standpoint, and we've put that onto an iPad, in this case, a digital tablet. That is a huge revolution for us from the standpoint that we're able to now visualize almost all the world's airports, at least the major airports in the world, and have that at the fingertips of the flight crew. And again, this is all tied back to GPS technology, visualizing your position on that map, in addition to many other digital layers of data. And again, we're proud to be here and be a part of ION 2014. Thank you very much.